Hey, what's up guys? This is Amin and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel Learn with Alamin. Today I want to talk about YouTube video SEO. So this is the second video for YouTube video SEO full course. So this class I will discuss about some important thing is how to do SEO for any video. So in this video I will explain everything how to optimize a video or how to do SEO, complete SEO, 100% SEO from start to end. And after watching this video, you can easily optimize any kinds of video, and that will help you to rank on first page, and that will help you to get more views, and that will help you to increase your channel growth. So let's get started. Thank you. So first of all, in this tutorial I will explain that I have said how to do SEO for any videos. So to do this, I want to go my YouTube channel and I will to upload a video for an example, and definitely I hope that you can easily understand everything. So I want to jump on YouTube Studio. So right now I'm just on my YouTube channel YouTube Studio. So I think you know about this, and I think you familiar with the interface. Okay, so this is my YouTube Studio, and this channel not get a lot of subscribers, so you should subscribe this channel and please support me. And I'm trying to make some awesome videos for you guys, and I'm not good at English, but I am trying to make videos in English because most of the viewers watching my videos from different countries. So I think you know how to upload the video. So click here. This is the option for YouTube video upload. So when you will upload, you will see the option upload videos. Just I want to click here for upload a video for YouTube video SEO optimization. And after that we can see the option drag here for any video. So if you want to drag and drop here any video that you want to upload. Also if you want, you can select file from here. So I want to click select files, then I will select this video and I want to click open. So after that YouTube automatically upload this video and it will be processing. So it's now processing and it's uploading the video, and you will see the percentage. I think you know about this. So here is the title that we just see, and here YouTube video SEO full course. This is very important because when you will upload any videos, or if you want to optimize any video, and if you want to do completely video SEO for any video, so definitely you should care about YouTube video title. Okay, so title is very important. How to optimize the title? Very basic things. Just go to Google and search with that keyword, with this keyword that you want to recording, or you want to upload that video. Okay, so I want to go YouTube. Okay, so I'm now right now on YouTube search bar. So I want to search with my video keywords, my video about YouTube video SEO. So YouTube video SEO, and after that you can see everything here, the suggestion for the keywords, and YouTube just suggests lots of keywords. So how can you pick your perfect keywords? So YouTube suggests that kinds of keywords. That's because lots of people searching with this sentence or keywords. So this is very important. And how can you organize, and how can you pick all the keywords, and how can you specify some keywords to use in your videos? So definitely you can do this. Just screenshot all the keywords from here, related to your videos. So I want to just screenshot here, and after that I want to save with image. Okay, so after that I can easily convert image to text from online and use all the suggested keywords in your video tags. Okay, so this is number one for the YouTube video optimization for your title and tags. So and I want to install another things that help me to optimize my videos. So what is it? Just go to Google and search vidIQ Chrome extension, then hit enter. vidIQ, one of the most important tools for YouTube video optimization. So I like it so much. If you want, you can install it. Also, you will find lots of alternative, but I like this one. So I want to click here, vidIQ extension from the Chrome web browser, Chrome web store, sorry. After that, just click here, add to Chrome, and I want to click here and add extension. And you should wait few seconds, and automatically it will be automatically added in your extension bar. Okay, so this is very important for YouTube video SEO optimization. Okay, that is perfect, and it's automatically successfully added in my extension area. And I want to click here, and I'm just added to my pin bar, because if need any times I can click here, I can easily use this. Okay, so why I just install this, I want to explain. Just I want to go my video SEO area. I just save it as a draft area. Then I want to edit again because I have already installed the extension. So I want to click here, and after that I want to see some changes. So where I can see the changes, just wait a few seconds. Okay, so here you can see the suggestion for the YouTube video SEO title, and this is my title, and here is the suggestions. And if you want to pick any suggestions from here, you should click here, and you will see there are lots of suggestions showing here. This is very good option. You should just check here, actionable SEO score is 0. This is very important for YouTube video SEO. When you will install the extension vidIQ, after that you will see this kinds of option on your videos. So here it is, and this is actionable SEO score is 0 out of 50. So you should increase it minimum 40 plus and near 50, and if you can do 50, that will be best. Okay, so I want to just put here YouTube video SEO full course. I want to put the year 2025, and I want to put another keywords here, YouTube SEO English tutorial. You can pick your keywords from your suggestion bar, and if you want to research more, you can easily research, and you can easily put your targeted keywords with your title, in your title. Okay, so I think this title is very good, and I want to copy this one, and I want to put here. Okay, so I want to put here, then hit enter. So this is very important. Also, I want to write about my video. In this video I am talking about YouTube video SEO. If you want, you can help with ChatGPT to write this description, but I just write here manually. So this is good, I think. And after that, the main option, another main option is thumbnail. This is very important for YouTube video SEO, and if you want to get more views, more clicks, definitely you should just make a beautiful and attractive thumbnail. So if you want, I will make a video also. I have already made a video in my channel. If you want, you can watch this video, how to make attractive thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Okay, also if you want to latest video, if you want to watch latest video, definitely I will make for you guys. Okay, so you should upload here. I want to upload a thumbnail here. So here is my thumbnail that I have made with YouTube, Canva, and this is YouTube video SEO thumbnail, and I think this is good. Okay, so the next thing is you should click here related playlist that will help you to rank your video. And if you don't have any playlist related in your video, you should just click here new playlist, and you should write here with your category. Like I want to write here YouTube video SEO full course and English. Okay, so here you will get all latest. Okay, so I want to click here, create, then done. Okay, so and then the final thing is here, very important things. So that is tags. So tag is very important, and when you just pick lots of keywords on your suggestion bar, you should put here most of the keywords, so as a tag. So this is very important for ranking. So I want to write here YouTube video SEO full course. Okay, this one. Also I want to write YouTube video SEO. I want to write YouTube video SEO tutorial. Okay, so right now here is 3 tags. I just put it here. So if you want to get more tags with and you want to see the search volume, definitely you can do it. Just click here, the left area, and just click here. You will see some suggestion from vidIQ. This is very good option, I think. If you want to rank your video, you should just pick here for medium and low competitive keywords. Okay, so I just click here, and after that you will see the premium option, but no worries, because you will see lots of option. So I want to click here again, YouTube video SEO, and you will see some suggested keywords. Okay, so I want to click here for very low and medium, not high. Okay, so this is very good thing, I think. So you should just click and put here lots of keyword as a tag, and after complete this process, I want to just click here the next. Okay, so here you will see add and end screen. So you should add some videos, published your videos, and definitely that video will rank, I think. So I think you can easily optimize your videos. Just select the public option and click the publish area. Okay, so I think after watching this video, you can easily optimize your videos, and you can optimize your client videos, and you can sell your service. And please subscribe the channel and like this video and share it with your friends. And the next video I will make how can you get your clients, and how can you transfer or get your access, or how can you share your access, or how can you get your access from your client YouTube channel.